shave is close and clean, and the natural emollients keep my skin silky smooth. I feel like this. No, I don't want to feel it.
Look at that. That's my little pumpkin, and the little ghost that I did. It's still drying. So because the other day I wanted to buy some Halloween decor and I couldn't find anything. And the store where I used to go is closed now, so the only thing I have left is trying to do my own Halloween decor. So what's going on with chia seeds? I mean, so every Tuesday night I prep chia seed pudding to bring with me at work. And every week it's not the same consistency. I don't get it. Sometimes it's very liquidy, sometimes it's like very puddingly. Gosh, is that too much chia seeds in a pudding? Do you know how to do chia pudding? Because I ate like the stuff and I'm full, but I ate like a croissant and pain au chocolat this morning. I have to eat better if I want to have Gilo's body. I can do like a OOTD for you. I try to do new stuff in my... Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Tu fais quoi le chat? Odor? Pas clair. So yeah, I find this awesome denim jacket in a like a flea market. I have two kinda spooky pins that I bought on Etsy. I have a old sweater that I bought in a thrift shop. A little skirt. Look at this. I have like a very tiny skirt because I am a hoe. I am an old hoe, and I had like tiny cowboy boots. That's very interesting indeed. Ouais, voilà. Je vais faire mon café.